Alright, this is my experiment on using disposable objects to create mixed reality video games. Now, as you can see here, I have 3 pizza boxes. I bought some for Vicelli's Pizza. The first pizza box, I have added a target onto both sides of it. The second pizza box, which is right here, this is just a holder to hold the first target properly. And then the third box, this is what I call the pizza shield. This is a device used to help triangulate multiple players together. It's also the device that you put your stereoscope in, and your phone goes right in here. For this demo, I'm not going to be using the pizza shield because I don't have multiple players. But normally how it would work is one player would watch the image target while watching your other side. And it would allow the player holding the shield to have complete 360-degree movement and see the augmented world around them. So let's start by setting up this pizza box. First, you take a pizza box, tuck in the sides. Okay. And there's a lip on each side. And second, you take the second pizza box, and this extra lip on the left and right, you want to tuck them in to the gaps in the base of the pizza box. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. And all this technology, I've been working on it for several years, ever since Vuforia was ever released. And the goal was to try and create a mixed reality gaming system, which we can use for LARPing. And what's LARPing? That's, I'm going to go into the woods, I'm going to go into my backyard, and I'm going to cast some magic spells. So let's see how well this works. So I have a pizza pyramid here. It's pretty stable. Stable enough. Tuck this in a little bit more. I want to have a nice, even pyramid. And what I'm going to do, I'm even going to turn it a little bit towards... actually, I'm going to leave it right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this nice cross-country motorhome, and it's going to be one side of the game world. Let's see if I can get this more triangular. Yeah, this one side's a little bit longer than the other, but as long as it's pretty stable, what you want is you just want to have a stable base, and to build a pretty functional, like, square pyramid. Alright, so let's turn off the camera. Let's go into my game, and let's see what it looks like. Now, it's going to have the side-by-side display, so it can actually show what it looks like in mixed reality. Here we go. And right now, the motorhome is kind of like a collider for the Doom monsters to kind of run around. If there were multiple pizza boxes, the accuracy would be even greater. But, you know, for right now, it's a good example to show you guys kind of like what a mixed reality game kind of looks like. This is the Half-Life Gold source map, Evo World, and I ported it onto my phone. And as you can see, even with Vuforia running and the Doom monsters, you know, it runs pretty smoothly. It runs at a good maybe 30-45 frames per second. At the very least enough for one player to have a shield and to physically walk around and shoot at the Doom monsters. Let's see what it looks like from the other side. Oops. Wait. Oops. I'll restart it. Why not? Make it easier. Yeah, here's from the other side. And perspective is a difficult thing to achieve in mixed reality with only a single target. But, you know, for right now, for prototyping builds and stuff like this, you know, you can order a pizza, have it delivered to, you know, your backyard, and you can just have it set up, and here are the Doom monsters. Why bother sitting on the couch when I can, you know, sit in the backyard and play the game?